If you are trying to find a real relief for your sore feet or your legs or your back while you're prepping meals at your stove or over the sink, the flat kitchen rugs are out of date. So the second you drop a stain on them, they get ruined. I was gifted this from the brand. This is an anti-fatigue kitchen runner. And the very first thing that jumped out to me is how it features an extra thick 0.4-inch padded design. And it's like that way to feel just such cloud soft cushioning, especially when you are standing on a hard floor. So the first question you might have before adding a memory foam mat to like a super high traffic cooking zone is how well is it going to hold up against spills, oils, messy kitchen cooking sessions. So this runner is crafted from a high grade water resistant PVC, and the top layer is engineered to repel liquids, grease, and even stain. It has a unique grid surface texture that stays completely wrinkle free and maintains that sleek professional look, so it doesn't get trapped with crumbs. Now that might lead into a second question: how in the world do I take care of this, right? Maintenance is super effortless. You don't even have to throw it into the machine and wait for hours for it to air dry. So for everyday upkeep, you can vacuum right over it, or simply wipe it down with just a cloth or a rag. Now another question you might have is it safe to use on different types of flooring, and is it gonna slide around when you walk on it? So in the kitchen you need it to be safe, but this mat features a really nice padded non-slip bottom, and that helps the runner to stay securely in place on multiple surfaces: tile, wood, carpeted floors. But just a quick pro tip, make sure that it's always on a clean, dry, flat surface. So not only does it have a really nice modern styling, it just looks beautiful in kitchens, laundry room, sink areas, or even at your standing desk in your office. If you're ready to relieve your back pain, your heel pain, or your foot pain from standing with long cooking sessions, this mat is an absolute must.